Everything starts from a simple cube. After changing the edges to rounded, the whole body becomes smoother and sweet. In the previous weeks, I created a few 3D NFT collections, mainly in voxel art, inspired by Minecraft and sandbox games. In this video, I'm going to showcase new NFT collection also in voxel art, but with rounded edges, cute voxel animals. Each animal is created from the same cube, adding different body elements, accessories, and using various colors makes a difference. Let's see what will happen if I create only 50 traits and generate 500 variations. Usually to make 10k NFT collection, it's reasonable to create at least 100-150 traits with a few different layers, but for smaller collections that number can be lower. Even a small change of shape, like scaling the cube or modifying the shape of eye, completely changes the vibe of 3D character. So it's very important to try a few different options and choose favorite version. Everything here actually depends on your preferences, so there is no good or bad shape. Maybe just more symmetrical or having more common proportions. But in NFT art, everything can be subjective. So it's always nice to play a bit and find something unique and catchy. I created 3 layers. Bodies with different animal types, accessories such as glasses or sleep mask, and backgrounds. Having many different traits, it's important to think about the color palette. I will tell you more about it in the next video, but so far I can share with you one of my tricks. Soft, subtle colors are more likely to fit each other. So that's why I usually avoid using many different textures and materials, as it can make the variations of NFT collection quite busy and not exactly compatible with each other. So it's always good to think twice about colors before creating anything. I would say that choosing the right colors is one of the most important elements in NFT collection design, because it creates the general vibe. If this video will get at least 10 likes, I will make more content about amazing color palettes that can be applied into voxel art, and of course any other 3D NFT collections. If you want to create your own NFT collection that you can sell on any NFT marketplace such as OpenSea, and you need some help, feel free to contact me. I can create for you 100% original NFT collection in any style, 2D or 3D, static or animated, for example, voxel art, pixel art, NFT doodle art, trending fashion NFT collections, NFT GIFs, or even trading sports cards animations. Each NFT collection includes metadata ERC721, Solana or Cardano. In the next video I'm going to create more voxel art and animal characters to develop my 3D NFT collections. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Enjoy!